Welcome back to Mind Matrix. For centuries, humanity has looked to the stars and asked one of the most profound questions: are we alone? From the ancient facts to scientific discoveries, the mystery of extraterrestrial life continues to captivate our imagination. Is there any intelligent life beyond Earth? What does science say? And have we already been visited? Join us as we uncover the evidence, theories, and government disclosures that could answer the question: do aliens exist? The universe is unimaginably vast, containing over 200 billion galaxies and countless stars. Many of these stars have planets, some of which exist in habitable zones where conditions could support life. According to the direct question, which estimates the number of civilizations in our galaxy capable of communication, the probability of extraterrestrial life is extremely high. In the recent years, scientists have discovered thousands of exoplanets, and some of them are similar to Earth. If life emerged here, could it not have developed under similar conditions? Throughout the history, ancient civilizations have recorded encounters with strange beings and unexplained objects. The Egyptians, Mayans, and Sumerians left behind depictions of what some believe to be extraterrestrial visitors. For example, take the Nazca lines in Peru, massive geoglyphs visible only from the sky. Some theories suggest that these could have been markers for aliens' aircrafts. Similarly, the Great Pyramids of Egypt and other structures continue to spark debate. Did early humans possess advanced knowledge, or did they have outside help? While skeptics attribute these wonders of human intelligence, others believe they hint at ancient contact with extraterrestrial intelligence. Fast forward to modern times, and UFO sightings continue to be reported worldwide. In 2020, the US Department of Defense officially declassified three videos: Unidentified Aerial Phenomena (UAPs) recorded by military pilots. These objects exhibited speeds and movements far beyond the capabilities of known human technology. Pilots have reported some objects that can move at hypersonic speeds, stop instantly, and change the direction without any visible propulsion. Some scientists argue that these sightings could be classified technology, but others suggest that they might be evidence of something far more mysterious. Even without direct contact, the search for alien life continues. NASA is currently exploring Mars for signs of ancient microbial life. In the coming years, missions to Jupiter moon and Saturn moon will investigate their subsurface oceans, which could potentially harbor life. Meanwhile, the James Webb Space Telescope is scanning distant exoplanets, searching for biosignatures, chemical signs of life in alien atmosphere. Scientists have believed that within the next few decades, we may finally have undeniable proof of extraterrestrial life. The question of alien existence remains unanswered, but the evidence continues to mount. Whether through mathematical probabilities, ancient accounts, or future discoveries, the possibility of extraterrestrial life is stronger than ever. So, what do you think? Are we truly alone or have already been visited? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep explorations into the mysteries of the universe.